Welcome my YouTube family to my episode number 41. Before starting the display, at first I want to share that our work regarding the production has interrupted vehemently due to natural calamity and adverse weather. At first Cyclone Yas, and now the continuous rain for 19 days. We have not been able to do any kind of production job, as without bright sunshine not any kind of production could be done. That is why I am becoming quite late in dispatching your orders. I am very sorry for that, but it is not within my control. I am trying my best as always. Let me start today's display. Today I will display only tussar. First saree, tussar, new color. This is the color. The color is like Bonvita mixed with milk. That is, it has become little darker shade, but I tried to do that one. Next time it will be more perfect. This is a broad border. Color is very nice, new color. Striped blouse piece I have shown first. And this is a pallu. Saree number 1, it is 5150. It is also broad border. This kind of saree with different colors you have seen before. It is the blouse piece. Previously it was red and orange. This time it is brown and maroon. I think you will like the combination. I have liked it very much. Beautiful color. Yeah, this is a pallu. Price is same, 5150. It is also little broad border. Not it is asymmetrical, uneven. It is a pink is the blouse piece. It is block and hand paint, both has been used in this design. Off white and pink is the blouse piece. The pallu and the border, and flowers are of different colors. 5150. Now two sarees with half and half concept. Nice mustard color blouse piece and a half saree, plain with a black border, and after that half saree is Orli print. I like the color. Yeah, like this. It is a black and rustish orange. This is the blouse piece with border. Nice color combination. It is bird prints. Half and half. Color is very nice. Design is nice. 5150. Now it is another sari with birds, but here it is hand painted and block together. This is the blouse piece. Small birds throughout the border of the blouse, and this is the trees and the birds, flying and sitting birds. Beautiful green color over that pink, blue, white birds has been used. It is one Shantiniketan style of painting. This is a blouse piece on off-white, red, orange, and the self color has been used for the painting. And one border has been used. It is also the price. Where is it? 5450. Now one kalamkari is there. It is a blouse piece, half and half. The kalamkari is also half and half. These are our own painters used to make, not the authentic kalamkari. All are hand painted, but not authentic. After this, I will show you the authentic kalamkari sarees. It is 8950. Another piece with hand paint. 3-4 hand paint saree I have this time. This is the blouse piece, beautiful color, lemon it is, with a border. Both side border it has, and broad, not very broad, but it is not very thin one also, like this. This is the pallu. The black, my black outfit also I think was looking nice, so you can use black blouse also with it, as a black touch is there. This is the blouse piece, black blouse piece, and throughout it is block print, stripes. This saree, block print and hand paint. This full saree is block printed only for the pallu. This one is the pallu. I love this saree very much. I think you will also. It is like this. This one is 6250. Now our favorite zari tussar. This is the blouse piece, the green one. After that, the shaded orange, red, maroon. These are, with this the full saree has been colored, shaded it is, and over that the block has been used. These are block prints. This is a pallu. 5450. Beautiful royal blue and yellow combined with multicolored fish. Fish means water, water means blue. That is the concept. Yeah. And this is the pallu. Five, 450. It is small prints. This is the blouse piece. All over small prints. It was in demand. That is why I have made it. Next I will show you some many other designs in this style. And this is a pallu. Coffee, red and green has been combined. Nice combination. Price is same, 5450. One red saree, red black combination, blouse piece, and village girls. There's a block. This is it. Yellow and magenta has been combined. Not magenta, sorry, it is maroon. Sorry. This is for the blouse. This is the design, floral, hand painted, asymmetrical lawns or flowers, flower weeds. 5650. Face, kalamkari like faces. It is block, not hand paint. This is the blouse piece, red. It is 5450. Brown, no, not brown, it is that color, the first color, I think. Yeah, that it is brownish actually, that Bonvita color, what I named it. This is the blouse piece. And over that color, the green leaves. Very nice effect it is. Combination is really nice. Yeah. Price 5450. It is also very nice color, blue, it is grayish blue. This is the blouse piece. Here it is not, the blouse piece is not contrast, only the floral prints are of Rani color. Nice combination. And this is a pallu. Now my favorite, your favorite trees after 2-3 episodes, Tasar episodes. Again, this is a blouse piece. Beautiful color it is. You just see the color, the combination. Another tree on green, very gorgeous, elegant. And this is a pallu. Now it is yellow and magenta combined kalamkari print. This is a blouse, multicolored this print, kalamkari print. Very bright, nice. Who like colors, it is for them. $5450. Kalamkari on base color is black. This is for the blouse. red is the blouse. On black, off-white, green and red has been combined. This is it. Price is same, 5450. Last saree for today's episode. Red one. Red is the blouse, sorry. The saree base is grey. The previous one and this one print is same. The color combination is different. Very rich look. Display part is over. Hope you have liked the show. I'm waiting for your response and feedback. Do it as fast as possible. Namaskar.